All right, why are these 6-piece dice boxes flying off the shelves on Amazon? They are selling hundreds every month. They are being rated very highly. They have almost 200 ratings right now, and I believe it's 4.5 stars in totality, which that's all I need. If it's over 4.2, even if it's under 4.2, they still oftentimes will be a quality product. But if it's over 4.2 with any significant number of ratings, you know it's a quality product. You know you can trust it. You know it's good. This right there, you know it's good. Got the social proof that I need. Two, you got 6 pieces right here. You got the white color, you got the black color, you got the red color, 2 of each. Great for parties. Maybe you got like a themed party, could just be like a birthday party, whatever. These are great just for decorations. Even if you're not having a party, just great decoration to have around the house. It's pretty sweet. Very easy to put together. As you can see, when you condense them down, it's basically like flat, like a piece of paper. So pretty sweet. Can also just be used as dice if you want. Just roll them as dice. But also 11 inches by 11 inches by 11 inches. So just a great style, great for decorations. Highly recommend.